What's good, y'all? It's Fresco BK, and this is Stadium Picks, where we're telling the story of good and evil with the Nike SB Lucky 7 and the Unlucky. Do you believe in luck? Or are there sometimes you feel like things aren't going your way and you feel a little bit unlucky? Well, I think Nike was so far ahead of their time telling the story of unlucky and lucky, because that is what we're going through now with the situation of getting shoes, where you feel like, yes, you might get them, or you see that special phrase that says your drawer wasn't selected. The Nike SB category is only 3 years old when they introduced one of the first dual pack releases that was sold separately but connected in regards to story. So let's start with the Nike SB Dunk High Unlucky. Now, for as long as I can remember, people have associated fear, evil, and all kinds of terrible with the number 13, Friday the 13th, etc. But designer Liam Sean Martin wanted to tell a story of good and evil and the fact that you can't have one without the other. So the Unlucky released alongside the Lucky back in 2004. So you'll see the fully black upper with the contrasting gold stitch, has leather on the overlay and that leather on the swoosh, and the suede on the underlay that you'll see in the toe box area here. Comes with the black laces, the red Nike detailing right there on the tongue, and of course, the red 13 just above the midsole, finished up by a black midsole, and of course, the red outsole. This shoe also comes with an additional set of red laces, but as we're telling the story of the Unlucky, you can't have the bad without the good. So we're gonna transition now into one of my favorite shoes ever, the Nike SB Lucky 7. I don't know if you guys can see the excitement in my face because I sold it a little bit short earlier, but the Nike SB Lucky 7 is my favorite shoe of all time. I do not own this shoe. I own several pairs of shoes. Unfortunately, I don't own this one. However, if I had to choose one shoe as my favorite of all time, it's definitely Lucky 7 SB. Straight to the upper, you'll see it's predominantly all gold, just different shades of gold. So it has the suede on the underlay and the slightly brighter gold on the overlay. We have the suede in the toe box, the gold laces. These originally did come with green laces also. And another fun fact about these, they do not feature the SB right here on the tongue. It normally says Nike SB, but this one only says Nike. The SB didn't come until 2005. But my favorite detail on this entire shoe, of course, is the 7. So I've told you guys in several videos that 7 is my favorite number, and of course, green is my favorite color. So everything that has to do with my birth and DNA is all 7s. I'm born 7/17. I weigh 7 pounds, 7 ounces. I was born the 7th floor. Yeah, me and my sister were 7 years and 7 days apart. So this shoe just speaks to my personal story in ways I can't explain. So from 2004 to 2021, this is still one of the most amazing stories told by the Nike SB category. So I got one question for you guys. Do you feel lucky or unlucky? Jump in the comments and let me know which one you're feeling, if you're going with the Lucky 7 or the Unlucky 13. But either way, we have both of these available right here at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Or if you're in Chicago, pull up to 60 East Walton Street and tell them that Fresco sent you. But if you can't make it to the store, make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com or download the Stadium Goods app, available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily. And stay tuned for the special things that we got coming up for Halloween. However, I am Fresco BK. This has been Stadium Picks. Salud.